Subcontractor company licenses. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on the licenses that subcontractor companies need. If you're a subcontractor, it's essential to understand the licenses required for your business to operate legally. In this video, we will be discussing the licensing that subcontractor companies need to obtain. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about topics that can benefit your business. Also, keep in mind that our organization's licensing experts can take care of every step in this video on your behalf. Now, the first license that subcontractor companies need to secure is a business license. A business license is a document that authorizes a company to conduct operations in a specific location. This license is typically issued by the state or local government where the company is located. A business license is important because it ensures that the company is operating legally and complying with local regulations. The second license that subcontractor companies need to obtain is a contractor license. A contractor license is required for businesses that perform construction work or provide specialized services such as plumbing, electrical, or HVAC services. The requirements for obtaining a contractor license vary from state to state, but typically involve passing a qualifying exam, providing proof of insurance, and demonstrating experience in the field. In addition to a business license and a contractor license, some subcontractor companies may also need to obtain an occupational license. An occupational license is required for companies that provide specialized services, such as cosmetology, pest control, or real estate services. The requirements for obtaining an occupational license vary depending on the industry, but typically involve completing a training program and passing an exam. Finally, subcontractor companies that sell products or services may also need to obtain a sales tax license. This license is required for businesses that collect and remit sales tax on behalf of the state. The requirements for obtaining a sales tax license vary in each state, but typically involve registering with the state's revenue department and obtaining a tax identification number. In summary, subcontractor companies need to obtain several licenses to operate legally. These licenses include a business license, contractor license, occupational license, and sales tax license. By obtaining these licenses, subcontractor companies can ensure that they are operating legally and complying with local regulations. To avoid having to deal with complicated paperwork, please visit legalregistration.com to learn how our third-party organization can provide you with these licenses ASAP. You're also welcome to give us a call for more information at 877-955-7111. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business. Also, we would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions that you have, so go ahead and drop a comment below.